Hello students, good morning all of you. I hope you all are fine. I Neeraj Khare as a science teacher of class 7th. So dear student, today we start for the chapter 14 electric current and its effect, the part 2. Electric current and its effect, part 2. So dear student, we start what happens when the filament of a bulb breaks. What happens when the filaments of bulb breaks? When the filament of a valve breaks, the circuit of the valve become the incomplete. So dear student, when the filament of a valve breaks, the circuit of the valve becomes incomplete. Hence the valve does not glow as it does not receive any electricity. Hence the valve does not glow as it does not receive any electricity. Light is a valve. Its center part is called as a filament and completely glass valve and support fitting. The heating effect of the electric current. When and the heating effect of the electric current, when and the electric current pass through a wire, the wire gets heated up. The wire gets heated up. This is known as the heating effect of the electric current. This is known as the heating effect of electric current. The heat that is the produced in the wire depend upon the following factors. Following factors. First one is the material of the wire, the length of the wire, the thickness of the wire. Many applicants work on the heating effect of electric current such as the material of the wire, the length of the wire, the thickness of the wire. The many applicants work on the heating effect of electric current such as first one is the electric heater, second one is electric iron, third one is the electric stove, fourth one is gaseous, and fifth is electric coffee maker, and sixth one is toaster, and seven is a hair dryer. So such as the first one is the electric heater, second one is electric iron, third one is the electric stove, fourth one is the gaseous, and fifth one is electric coffee maker, and sixth toaster, and seven one hair dryer, and etc. So electric heater, electric room heater, electric iron, and electric kettle. So different types of the instruments of electric current for pass out. Depending upon the amount of heat required by such as the applicants, different types, size and length of wire are used in them. Dear students, depending upon the amount of heat required by the such as applicants, different types, size and length of wire are used in them. Some wires can break down or melt as they get heated. Some wires can break down or melt as they get heated. Production of light in a bulb due to the heating effect of the electric current. Production of light in bulb due to the heating effect of electric current. The filament of bulb is a coiled wire that gets hot when the electricity is passed through it. This the make the filament glow, and as the result light is the produced from the bulb. What is then the electric fuse? The fuse used to the buildings and fuse used to the electric applicants. An electric fuse is a device that is the used to prevent the damage that can be the caused by an excess of electric current. Excess of electric current according to the heating effect of the electric current. A wire becomes the hot as the current is passed through it. However, if when the excess of the current is passed through, a wire is can melt or break. And the electric fuse is a device that is used to prevent the damage that can be caused by an excess of electric current according to the heating effect of the electric current. The electric fuse consists of a wire which is made up of metal or an alloy which has a low melting point. As a result, the wire breaks down easily as the high current pass through it. High high current pass through it. As the wire break, the circuit of the fuse opens and hence no further current pass through it. This can prevent a short circuit for fire due to the high electric current. Different type of fuse are used for different devices and some are also available for houses as well. Different type of fuse are used for different device and some are also available for the houses as well. How can excessive the current pass through a circuit? Reason why the excessive current can pass through a circuit. Sometime we connect the different device to the same socket, which result is the drawing of more current from that socket. As a result, the load on the circuit increase and it can lead to a short circuit or fire. All these elements produce a high amount of heat when the electricity pass through them. However, this amount can change depending upon the requirement of the device. This is so because they contain a coil of wire known as an elements. Known as an element. This is so becomes they contain a coil of wire known as an elements. When the insulins of the wire get turned away, the wires can come in the contact with the each other, which causes a spark or many lead to a fire. So it's a short circuit. This way, fuses are used to prevent any kind of short circuit and overloading. What are the major circuit breakers? Yeah, small form is the MCB. Manager the circuit breakers. Look at this picture for the MCB. A manager circuit breaker or the MCB is generally used instead of the fuse. A fuse break due to the excessive current so that the circuit open up the and the damage can be the prevent. However, the once of the fuse break down, it cannot be used again. Breakdown, it cannot be used again. MCB on the other hand is a switch which the turn off on it's the on when a circuit overloads. One of the problem the circuit is the reacted weaken the switch on the MCB once again. Magnetic effect of the electric current. Magnetic effect of electric current. So when the electric current is passed through a wire, it is behave the like a magnet. This is the called the magnetic effect of the electric current. So which was discovered by the scientist Hans Christians observed. Hence Christians observed was magnetic compass and needle and magnetic compass needle. Two is the pole south and north and east and west. Battery south and north pole switch and battery to move to every one. Electromagnet is means every magnetic material has a magnetic field up to the switch up to which is the influence of is the magnetism can be the experienced a magnetic whose the magnetic field is the generated with the help of electric current is called as the electromagnet. A magnet whose the magnetic field is the generated with the help of the electric current is called as the electromagnet. The electromagnet is formed because of the magnetic effect of the electric current. The electromagnet is the formed because of the magnetic effect of the electric current. So look at this picture for the magnetic dominance of the iron ore, the battery, and North Pole and South Pole. Electric bell. Electric bell, electromagnet, hammer, soft iron, amateurs, spring and gong, and battery and switch. The components of an electric bell: a coil of wire would overend the iron pieces that the form the electromagnet, and the iron strip, a soft iron armature which has a hammer attached to it, which is the joint to the wire coil. A contact screw through the which is the attached to the iron strip. A contact screw through the wire is the attached to the iron strip. A battery which is the connect with the wire coil and the contact screw. As a switch is the middle of the circuit. So dear student, today's this chapter is complete. So I send you the PDF file for the exercise this chapter. So complete your copy and send me. Thank you.